Hi guys. Got one. Next time, I'm gonna do a fidget spinner versus sand. Cause today I'm at the park with my dad. He's in the car. He just doesn't want to come outside. I'm on the spinny thing, you know. And for that video next time, I will get a fidget spinner and I will throw it in the sand like normal, cause I'm stupid in the head, like Jake Paul. This is not clickbait. Sorry. I can speak British. Sorry for all the British people. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm stupid. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was freaking really small. Next time I'll do a 1 hour video. Maybe a minute video. Shout out to Roman Atwood. He's the best vlogger. I like him. He's a good vlogger actually. But yeah. Not trying to brag, but boom, in Illinois you could get so right now I'm at Austin Park and you could get it by this little place called Skokie Mart, and it's awkward. So you just go, you see that? You go left, keep going straight, and then you see this place called Skokie Mart. Then you'll go there, and maybe it has it, and you get this only yellow. Oh, stupid assholes. Okay, guys, thank you so much for today's vlog, and please subscribe and say good so you can post my notifications whenever I post a vlog. And whatever I just said is really wrong, whatever, yeah. And yeah, please like. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.